Welcome to Youth Voices of Kakuma. My name is Yara Chol. We are hereby to discuss on 20th June, which is known as the World Refugee Day. But due to the pandemic, we are in confusion if the World Refugee Day is going to be celebrated. I've got my guests here who are going to discuss on this event. Welcome.
My name is Monica Yom.
Abdul Fattah Bishar.
What do you think is going to happen if the World Refugee Day is not celebrated here in Kakuma?
World Refugee Day is a day that world come together and celebrate the Day of Refugees by giving them motivational words and giving them hope too. And by not celebrating these days, World Refugee Day is a day that brings all refugees together. People learn cultural diversity.
And also, as we believe that refugees live for hope, this is the day that world come together and motivate refugees, make them feel that they are human and they can do what other people can do back in their countries. So this will really affect the words are going to be missed.
What do you think the refugees are going to miss out if the World Refugee Day is not celebrated?
This kind of event is usually a big event globally, and if we don't celebrate, a lot of information will be missed by the refugee here in the camp. For the whole 2020, this is the only day that refugee wait a lot of information from the United Nations. Hopefully, in refugee setup, people expect three main key things from the United Nations. One, I can say, issue related with the resettlement. Second, integration. Third, repatriation. So these are the things that they have been waiting for so long in terms of implementation for the new year of 2020. But due to this pandemic, we don't know how will UNHCR address this kind of issues. And sometimes also, these refugees, they do raise this kind of event on their concerns or challenges in terms of humanitarians who are providing services in this camp.
On behalf of Talents, young refugees have been rehearsing since last year, June 20th, hoping to showcase their talents on these events, and by now and due to this pandemic, I think young refugees are going to feel discouraged, even though it's understandable. They are going to feel that their efforts gone in vain.
Now, what advice can you give to your fellow refugees here in Kakuma?
Most thing that I can advise people who are watching out there is to take measure as the government directive through Minister of Health, and you maintain washing hands regularly, social distancing, and stay safe at home.
As we know that there are so many things that bring us together as refugees, like distribution centers and also taps. These are the things that we can't avoid.
And also my advice to the young boys and girls during these pandemic seasons, as I know it's a long idling time, it's to keep yourself busy.
I would like to tell them, please, the game is on. So, and to win this game is to avoid these men. Boys are all over watching you guys. And if we don't watch out too, this is where we are going to fall into their trap and it spoil our life. So what I will just tell you guys is to win the game is to get engaged to things that are so beneficial to yourself and try to avoid them. Be busy and you will win the game.
Thank you, Miss Monica and Abdi, for staying with me. And also to the people who are listening, I thank you also for listening and see you next time.